Hello guys, now let us discuss question 145. The question is, which one of the following condition will favor maximum formation of the product in the given reaction, that is a square in grams plus b square in grams gives x square in grams, and the exothermic reaction is minus x kilojoules. So the correct options are high temperature and low pressure, second high temperature and high pressure, third low temperature and low pressure, fourth low temperature and high pressure. So the correct answer is option 4, because the here, as we know, the exothermic reaction has negative value. Okay, so exothermic reaction it favors at low temperature. So the forward reaction del n is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So such reaction favors high pressure. So the correct answer is low temperature and high pressure. That is option 4. Option 4 is correct. Thank you. Hope you understand.